Now if you've got a really thick door, well the standard like cylinders aren't long enough to reach through to the back of the lock, we do a new longer bar. And you can obviously cut it down on these notches, but when you cut it down, always hold the bar really tight with mold grips or something, and slightly saw that groove a little bit deeper before you start bending it, because sometimes people bend this. They just bend that with pliers and snap it, and it bends the whole bar and ruins this. Now anyway, to change it, you've got to undo this little circlip ever so slightly. I just use any pliers, just get it on. I put one part there. Let me move round. One part of the pliers in that groove, so you've got something to grip on, and the other part on the edge of that circlip. Just press it, and out it pops. So you've moved away the little the small notches there. So just keep it back up. It's the newer one's much longer. So hook it back in like that under the good one, and then get the pliers or grips, whatever you're going to use. Well, these are long nose pliers, but you obviously can use anything. And just squeeze back together that circlip. It's a bit fiddly, not going to lie. That's the fiddliest part. So leave it hooked in, just grip it, squeeze it back. Done. I always go round it just to make sure. What you've got to make sure you don't do is when you use the pliers or grips, don't squash the barrel. A lot of people do. You've got to make sure you get onto that circlip, just the circlip, and press. If you catch that, obviously it's not going to do up. That's it. So the old one was that long. New one is about with that bar. It's about 80mm, I think. Let's take measure. Yeah, new one's 80mm. The old one's about 50mm. So it makes it go through much thicker doors. You can get to about 100mm thick door, but you want to go back a bit because the Yale lock obviously has got to touch it. So I'd say about 95mm that'll go through. Thanks. More videos to come.